This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula Kotzin. Popular dining room. Phillips neighborhood with great schools. Convenient to shopping and theme parks. AC has been replaced, floor tiled with ceramic wood, newer refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, washer and dryer. Master bath was newly renovated. This home has a large fenced-in yard with shed. There is a screened patio for sweet summer nights. No homeowners association. The home builder was Bel Aire. You don't see well-built homes like this anymore. Fast access to I-4 and the turnpike, a perfect place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula Kotzin at 407-876-2090.